In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this motion blur black hole image in less than 3 minutes. This is the black hole mesh that I have created with a mesh circle. The motion blur only shows up after rendering, and I'll show you how it gets done. Let's press Shift-A to create a mesh circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Tab to go to edit mode, and F to fill. Type I as in India multiple times to create inner edge loops. Let's type G and Z to proportionally bring down the face in the middle. I'll show you the full nodes. To create a motion blur, we need to animate it moving, scaling, or rotating. I'll type I on the Z rotation on frame 1 to create a new keyframe, and type another I on frame 250 with 1800 degrees like this. Let's make sure the last frame is set to 250, so the animation won't stop so fast. We need to put a checkmark on motion blur to activate the feature. Again, we must render the scene in order to see it. This is before. This is after. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.